In this YouTube video, we're going to show you how to create this Insta-worthy light up Pampas cloud and bring a bit of DIY joy to your home. Prepare your oasis block by removing any wrapping and cutting it down to your required size. Attach the string to the block. Weave crossed it over and under and tied at the top as you would with ribbon when wrapping a parcel or present. Choose the location you want to hang the cloud. We've used 2 cop hooks for this. Attach the wire to each hook and secure to the string on the oasis block. Then, unwrap your pampas and separate each stem. Next, wrap your lights around the oasis foam, securing the battery box underneath as this will be covered by the pampas. Cut down the pampas to your required size using the floral snips. Make sure not to cut too close to the grass as the strength of the stem is needed to secure the pampas into the oasis block. If you want to make a smaller cloud, you can cut the pampas in half and use each separate section separately. When all your pampas is cut down, simply start adding it into the oasis. Start with the larger pieces around the main corners, working your way around to fill in any gaps. Depending on the height you want your pampas cloud to hang, you may not need to cover the top or bottom fully. Keep filling the oasis with the pampas grass until you're happy with the coverage. We've used 15 XL stems in total. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.